Hi guys, welcome to BAi TV. I'm your embroidery assistant, Alan. In this video, I will show you how to maintain the mirror. If you are a frequent user, it is especially important to regularly make the maintenance of the machine. The proper maintenance not only prolongs the life of the machine, but also ensures that every stitch is stable and precise. Next, let's take a look on how to lubricate the mirror to keep it at its best performance. Before we get started, I'd like to share the tools and the types of oil that we need for lubrication. We only need 3 types of oil for lubrication: sewing oil, fully synthetic motor oil, and fully synthetic resin grease. Sewing oil is more common and easy to buy. You can choose it according to your needs. Open the toolbox. You will find there is a bottle of sewing oil. For fully synthetic motor oil and fully synthetic resin grease, we recommend Mobile 1. This lubricant performed well in our use and more suitable for our machine. We usually use a bottle with a long pointed spout to store oil. In addition, I also recommend you can use the oiling pan. That is more convenient for you to make the oil maintenance. When using grease, we recommend preparing a small brush. A soft bristle brush will be okay. Okay, now we can start lubrication for the mirror. Here, we'd like to suggest you turn off the machine before you make the lubrication. There are 3 parts need to be lubricated with sewing oil: the upper needle bar, the bottom needle bar, and the hook. If you need to embroider every day, we recommend that you add oil to the hook every day. First, you can take out the bobbin case. If you find there are some extra thread in the hook, you can also clear first. And then you just use the sewing oil to make the oil maintenance. Usually 3 to 5 drops is enough. Okay, for the upper and the bottom needle bars, we can oil them once a week. The upper needle bar is not easy to access, so we suggest you can use a bottle with a long pointed spout, or you can use an oiling pan to make the oil maintenance. Usually 3 to 5 drops is enough. Make 3 to 5 drops of sewing oil on the needle bar. And then one by one. Okay, next we are going to lubricate the needle bar on this part. First, you need to use a screwdriver to take out the cover. Okay, now you can remove the cover. Next, we will lubricate the needle bar one by one. And then make the same operation for the other needles bar one by one. Okay, now let's install the cover back. Here we suggest you can raise up the cover in case of it may press the rings. Then you can fix the screw. Then you use a screwdriver to tighten the screw. Okay, finished. Okay, for the next part, we will use the 40 synthetic motor oil to make the lubrication. You will find there is a hole in this side near the control panel. Then you can make 3 to 5 drops of the 40 synthetic motor oil to this hole. You can make the lubrication once 2 weeks. Okay, now we will lubricate the rear part. For this part, you can turn the black knob with the anti-clockwise way. You keep to rotate it until it can't move. Okay, then you will find there is a hole here. You can make some oil maintenance here. 3 to 5 drops. All right. Then you can keep to lubricate the rail. You can make it every 2 weeks. Next, we will make the grease lubrication. For this part, you can make it every 6 months. Okay, first, we will use the cross screwdriver to lose the screw here. Okay, take out the first screw. Then take out the second screw. Okay, next you can take out the cover. And then we can keep to take out the screw on this panel. Okay, take out. Now we are going to lubricate the gear. You can turn the black knob and then use a brush. You can apply the grease evenly on the gears and keep to turn the black knob. Just like this. Okay, for this part, you can make it every 6 months. Next, we will keep to lubricate the second place. First, you can put the wires alongside, and then you will find the connection part inside. Then we will apply the grease on the connection evenly. After the grease lubrication, now we need to install back the cover one by one. Put the wire inside, then put the cover. Install the screw. Okay, now tighten the screw. Okay, now let's keep it to install the cover for the motor. Here, this part should be in front. Cover it, and then install the screw. Use a screwdriver to tighten the two screws. Okay, after all the lubrication works, now we can turn on the machine. If you get the message from screen, no needle, you just click OK. And then you can turn the color change motor knob and observe the needle number on the screen. Any number is OK except 00. Now, the needle number is 7. That'll be OK. Well, that's all for today's introduction on how to maintain and lubricate the mirror. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share it. See you in next video.